Hello, welcome to our virtual classroom. I'm so glad you made it. Today we will begin our little unit study on characters and character traits. Let's start by defining what a character is. A character is a person, animal, creature, or object that appears in a story and talks. Can you think of a character from your favorite story? My favorite character is Junie B. Jones. You will be able to share your favorite character with the class later in this lesson. Let's get started. I want to explain what you're going to be doing and walk you through step by step how to get to each task that needs to be completed for today's lesson. First, you will see that you need to share with me what you know about characters. In order to do that, you're going to click on this link that says, "What do you know?" Click on the icon, and you'll see a little link down here below. Click on that. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You're going to ask a parent to help you as needed. If that means you need help reading a question or reading an answer, a possible answer to the question, that's fine. But don't ask your parents to give you the answer to any of the questions being asked. Remember that it's okay if you don't know the answer, but it's really important that you try your best so I know exactly what you know about characters already, so I know better what to teach you for the rest of the week. There are only 4 questions. What is a character? Picking out which of these objects are characters. Describing what a character trait is. And then describing what this character looks like. Once you've finished the quiz, you're going to click Submit. Once you've hit Submit, you're going to close out of the tab and go back to our virtual classroom. The next assignment I want you to do is you're going to watch a little video on BrainPop Jr. A parent will hopefully have logged you in prior to this lesson, but if they haven't, ask your parent nicely to help you log in so you can get onto our classroom's page. You're going to click the icon again, and you'll see this video pop up. Click on it, and it should take you to this screen. You can choose to watch it in full screen. You can choose to add words to your story. Words to your video as you're listening. Or if you're having a hard time understanding, your parent can go back and read you through what the video says. After you've completed this activity, again, you're going to exit out, and it's going to bring you back to our virtual classroom. The final activity for today is on Nearpod, which is where we're going to spend a lot of our time collaborating and working together with our classmates because we're not in a normal classroom situation. So in order to communicate with one another, we're going to use the application Nearpod. There's a video in the introduction section on how to use Nearpod. You're going to click on the link, and you're going to need our class code. So once you've clicked on the link, it'll bring you to a page that looks like this. You'll put your name in. This is Miss Eckhart. And you'll click Join Session. Once you've joined the session, you'll see that it's asking you what your favorite fictional character is. You're going to share a picture of your favorite story character. If you would rather draw a picture of your favorite story character instead of finding one on the internet, you may do that also. Draw your picture on your piece of paper with a pencil, crayons, markers, you name it, and then upload it to your computer, and you'll click this image button, and you can share your image with your classmates. After that, you can go back and you can like your classmates' pictures. Once you've finished that, you're going to go to the next page, and you'll get a little slide that says you did it with Buddy the Elf. Because you did. You made it through our first day of class. and I'm very proud of you. After you've completed all 3 activities and you come back to our classroom page, you will be done with today's lesson. Don't forget, though, to come back tomorrow for the next lesson on characters. See you then. Good luck.